Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kayla from Kayla Does Disney. So I have to film this on my phone because I have no idea what's going on with my camera. So I'm doing unbagging, and I'm so excited to show you guys because I've been waiting for this backpack for such a long time. It's been too long, but it was worth it because of the price. If you guys are interested, please continue to watch, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so it came in the bag, of course. I'm so excited. So I actually went to the mall and I went to box lunch and all that, and then they called me and was like, your package is here. So I had to go back. So I wasn't that far away from the mall anyway, so it was all good. I'm so excited. So they put it in a regular bag, of course. So excited. Can you guys guess what it is? So excited. Let's open it. It's like Christmas. Get out of my way. Oh my god. Oh, girl. You guys, I can't hold on. She's so pretty. The new car smell. It's the new car smell for me. Okay, look. The plaque. Star Wars. She's so beautiful and she sold out so fast. It was ridiculous how fast she sold out. Like, she didn't even stand a chance in the store. Oh my god. I'm kind of surprised that they didn't put like her whole face on here, but the other one has her face, and I don't know, I got that one. She's so beautiful. Oh, you guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so excited because I wanted her for so long. Is this her lifesaver? Stop, I didn't even know that it had it. This is her Clone Wars uniform. When she first popped up on the scene, and she's still, what's up? No, I'm just kidding. And of course there is a classic Loungefly plaque. She's so beautiful. The burgundy, the orange, it is amazing, you guys. And of course there is the pool. This is her lifesaver. Can you guys see it? Oh my god. And then of course there is silver hardware. Oh, it's so beautiful, this silver hardware. Oh my god. And she is perfect. There is no stains on her. Oh, okay, so this is gonna fall off, so I'll just take that off. She's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't with this because this is so exciting. So these are the straps, the faux leather padded straps. They're so beautiful. There's nothing on the back, just a plain. This is like a, I don't know what material this is. It's not velvet, but it feels like velvet. Not velvet, suede. It's like a suede type of material. So beautiful. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. And she was originally $7.90. Y'all, I said $7.90. I meant $79.90. I could not talk because I was so excited. But back to the video. But I got her basically for half off, so she was like 50 something, no, like 46 or 50, something like that. Just gonna open her up. Oh my god. The Clone Wars lining. Jedi Master. This is such a beautiful bag, and I don't want to bend her. Oh, I don't want to bend her. Okay, I'm just gonna go like this. So beautiful. And of course you see the zipper on the inside. So beautiful. Oh my god, they did such a good job on her. She's so pretty. This is a 12 out of a 10, okay? This is not even a 10. This is a 12. She's so beautiful, and I don't know if I'm going to carry her, honestly, because she's just so perfect. The orange stitching my god, do you guys see the orange stitching? The orange, it's so perfect, and orange is literally one of my favorite colors. This is such a beautiful bag. Loungefly, y'all did that. Clone Wars, y'all did that. Ahsoka is so dope, like it is ridiculous, okay? And I'm so glad that they like threw her in there in Mandalorian, and she's the Afro-Latina. And hopefully everyone can get her. If not, I think she's still available on Loungefly, not Loungefly, Box Lunch. She's still available on Box Lunch, and then some stores actually did get her in store. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, it's a little hint. Probably not even a hint now because I talk too much. But the giveaway is going to be everything. Okay? So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. We're on the road to 1,000. So excited. Okay, so that was it for this video. I'm just gonna keep on holding her like this because she is just too beautiful to put down. If you guys enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me this long and continue to support me. You guys are the best. I love you guys. I'm about to cry. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I'm about to cry. So we're just gonna end this video now, but I'll see you in the next one. Bye.